Okay guys, it's all about getting along in this world and doing things. This is my second homemade plow. Well, my fifth homemade plow, but the last one was on the truck. It was getting a little rotten, so I decided to build another one. Now they're built just out of wood. These chains are just sitting in here just to stop it from maybe sliding sideways or whatever. But it just hangs on these ropes. It takes 5 minutes to put them on. You just attach it. And we'll open the hood here. Hang on, open the hood. Okay. This is your controller. Now it just makes the plow go up and down. Okay. That just goes through there. Whole thing hooks up in a few minutes. In a very few minutes. Hang on, I'll just open this hood up. Okay. Up she goes. See? There's just 2 clamps on the battery. Goes over to there. This thing just goes out there. Sits on the front of this thing. And I put a cable in here. This cable just goes out to here, back. It just goes underneath these bolts and across underneath this plastic. So that can stay on there year round. I just pull the grill out for the winter. And that's it. And she's ready to roll. Now, I'm going to go and, we had all that rain, so I'm going to go and see about fixing up the driveway a little bit. All I need is keys, right? Must be keys in here. Sorry about all my crazy videos recording here. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Louder than hell. Oh, louder than hell. Okay. This is just up and down. See the flag moving? Up and down. Now our driveway was really washed out, so I'm gonna just back up here with this plow. I gotta run some gas through this thing because I put injector cleaner in. I think injectors are starting to go very bad on the thing. I gotta fix this up. Driving with the camera. I guess this is distracted driving, but I'm on my own property here, and I'm going very slow. So I'm not going to take this out on the road unless I make sure I can do it safely. Okay, I'm turning around right here. And as you see the driveway, I'm going to get out and look at it before I grade it here this time. Okay, let's see. It's getting pretty bad. I'll go back up and we'll see how bad this driveway really is. Well, it's not too bad right here, but not too good either. I'll go down here, just show you where these washouts are. Okay, as you see, it is washed out pretty good. It is washed out. I'm going to go take a little look here. We'll get out, take a little look. Hey, get out and take a little look. Okay. She's washed out pretty good over there, and I want to move the dirt back into there, and I don't want to walk through all this mud. See, the quad's been running around here, and there's big trenches, so I'm gonna go back to this thing, my homemade rigging, glasses in my pocket. Okay, well, I don't know how you're going to be able to see this, right? But that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to put it in reverse. I'm going to lower the plow. And I'm going to back up a little bit. Okay, I'm not even going to raise it. I'm just going to go forward. There she grades. She's grading. Pushing the dirt into the holes. Now, as you can see, it's pretty washed out there. Okay, now I'm all the way down here. Okay, now I'm going to have to raise the plow. And then I'm going to back blade here. So I put it in reverse, I'll lower this plow, and we're going to go back. She's starting to go in already there a little bit. I'm going to take some of this dirt from this edge if I can. What's going on? Okay, down she goes. Oh, reverse still. Crazy. Okay. I'm going to take some of that dirt and put it in these holes a little bit. Raise it where we're going, put it back down, put it reverse, and we're going to back drag up there. See, I got a big pile there where the dirt was. I'll have to go the other direction. See, she's starting to come out pretty good already. Starting to level her out. Okay, I'll just leave the plow down. What the hell? And we're going to go over that again. She's jumping. It's not really a grader, but hey, it works. Okay, I'm going to take that pile, and I'll just move it out into here a little bit. And now I raised it as I'm moving, so that. Okay, I'm just going to turn around here. Turn around, not go in the ditch. See, look at how nice that's starting to look. See how nice that's starting to look already? Okay, we're gonna go forward. Oh, she's dragging a little bit. I got the plow too high, too low. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go backwards. You know what? This is called DIY. See, she's moving the dirt around pretty good. Pretty good. I don't want to go in the ditch here, so I'm gonna go up and I'll put the blade down and we're gonna go uphill. See, it's throwing rocks even in front here. I'm going to raise it up as we're going here. There she goes up. And we'll go around again here. Okay. As you can see, it's pretty good. I'm gonna go down, lower it. She's throwing the rocks up. Throwing the rocks up. Hey, almost starting to look like a tractor went through. Hey, look at that. Okay, so that'll fill it right in there. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna take that little pile off there that I left. And we're gonna go down towards the highway. And now I'm gonna raise her up. I raised her up. Okay. Now, I'd like to go for a ride, but I have to get this camera so it's kind of set up somehow so you can see and it doesn't fall over. Huh? Well, the radio went on. The radio knob, huh? Now, I can get that thing up there. Come on. Oh, the Mickey Mouse thing. Mickey Mouse. I don't know, man. Pull it up. Come on. Sit up here someplace, eh? I wish wish there was a place to sit everything up here, but there isn't. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I don't know. No, guess we can't do that. Maybe if it'll sit in that seat here. No, I won't. I had this thing set up somehow before, so it stayed. Alright, let's just try leaning it there and twisting this thing this way. And twisting this back. There. Will that work? Will that work? No, that won't work. Holy cow. Nothing's working. Nothing's working. Try it in there. Will that work there? I don't know. I don't know, man. Get this thing set up. Oh, come on, you guys. Well, she's sort of up there, eh? Oh, we're gonna get laughed out of the neighborhood running around with a snowplow. Gonna get laughed out of the neighborhood, eh? Oh well, that's alright. We're Canadians. See, she's got a mist to it. I gotta run it a little bit. Gotta run it a little bit. So, I'm gonna make a U-ey here and go down to where they make us turn around now. Make us turn around. Car's coming? That's alright. Let's go. It's 70 click here. And this thing's got a vibration. Maybe it'll clear out the injectors after I run it for a while. I know. Sometimes gauges aren't working again. All the gauges are getting screwed up in there. Still got speedometer, still got a tach, don't have a heat gauge, don't have a gas gauge. And we got a oil pressure gauge, which they're kind of Mickey Mouse anyway. You know, they just tell you if you got any kind of oil pressure. But anyway, okay, we're at 70 click here. Make sure I don't go too fast. The cops are out all the time. So they sure are making a good job of this highway. I'm telling you, it looks wonderful. And they're putting so much dirt over there. I guess they're kind of worried about washouts and stuff, so they're probably going to put another, that's a heat gauge giving a warning again. Ah, look at that. There's a leaf in front of your face. Let's get rid of it. Okay, now, did they block this thing off? There was a little entrance to go through here. I don't know if they blocked it off or not. I think I can get through there. Yeah. They haven't tore it out yet? I don't think so. I don't think so. No, she's still here. She's still here. Let's go through it. It'd be nice if they left us a turnaround, but I don't think they will. I don't think they will. Once this construction's over, I'm telling you. Whoop, what's going on here? This thing don't want to run no more. There it goes. Piece of junk. It's got that 5.4 engine in there with the cam phasers and all kinds of crap. Let's just give her a little bit of a run. Oh, the camera's falling down. There she goes. There she goes. Well, that's alright. But yeah, we got some power back to the thing. Our Canadian flag, hey, she's going over there, man. She's going. Yep. Like I say, do what you can. Do what you can. Speed limit go back up to 90 here, but I'm not going 90. I gotta pull in the driveway. Yeah, it's all about, doing things in your day to try to get by, and if you're enjoying yourself doing something, anything, it's entertainment, and entertainment costs money. So if we can avoid it without paying money, Well, that's good. I mean, I could have bought a metal plow. Okay, you can't even see it. The sun's shining so hard. I could have bought a metal plow, but what for? Hey, look how nice that driveway's sort of looking now. I'm going to take a little bit more right from here, lower it, take this over here so we fill in the center of this driveway. She rides, sure, it's moving it. This thing moves snow like you wouldn't believe. You can grade the driveway with a piece of plastic plow. Okay, I raise her up. And we're going to pull back into up by the car tent there. And it just shows you, what you can do, like, I got to get over far enough so I can get that car out of there. There we go. Okay, let's just shut this thing off. I'm going to stop roaring and do my seatbelt and get out of here. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to leave that flag on there. That's just gonna, that might get me a ticket if cop sees that. Says, why you got a flag? It's blocking your view. So I'm going to take it off there. I don't need that thing on there. I'm going to take it off. The heck with it. The heck with it. You don't need that. Boy, I put it on there too good. There. Take this off. Take this off. I don't. It's got that nice Canada flag here. We'll stick it somewhere else here. Anyway. Maybe tell Canada where to stick it. Huh? See, I got all my fancy lights on there, house lights and stuff for plowing. And anyway, that's sort of my day. We're going to go back in my little homemade garage here. Oh, it's warm in here. Warm in here. And it looks like the fire's still going. Anyway, guys, you take it easy and have a good day. Make the best of your day. Like keep a notebook that do things every day. Do something every day. That's the best. And like I say, if you, like I was talking about the secret is that you fight against things, you get more of what you fight against. If you work towards things, you'll get more of what you want. That's all it is. Because the more you push against something, if you say against it, I'm fighting against it, I don't like it, you'll get more of that. You get more. So like I said, income tax in this country is heavily taxed, but gifts are free. So if you want to give somebody money, they don't pay no tax on it. It's free. It's a gift. And even if you give people something, you give them a present. That present is not taxable. According to AI, I talk with AI there a lot. I chat with them, chat GPT, and if you're given a gift, it's like money. It's worth. If you sell that gift for what it's worth, it's still yours. Apparently, you don't pay tax on it. So, anyway, you guys have a nice day, and we'll talk later.